Okay, traders, we're looking at silver XAG. This is a big level. It's tagged at what, 1, 2, 3, 4 times already on the daily time frame, and it's reacted off the level fairly significantly. We're coming back into it again. My bias is definitely bullish, without a doubt, and I'm looking for a way in, basically. So I have a fairly strict strategy or a trading plan that I use over and over again, and all I'm looking for is swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. I don't want to be buying into this at the moment. This is a big liquidity pool. It's resistance, and I'm half expecting this to pull back. What I want to see is a break of this high, and then the pullback into it, the retest and fail. That would definitely get me involved with this. And look what we've got over here on the left. This thin candle gap all the way through to here and beyond. Right, so we've got this equity void all the way. Okay, so big level here that we can trade through. Right, so you don't want to be trading into resistance. Let's push through this, come back and retest, and then the next resistance is going to be, well, it'll be these bullish candles up in here on the 4-hour time frame. So that's our target up in here. So we'll just name that target. All right, T for target. Now, in terms of an entry, I'm going to be looking to, I'm going to just name that. Oh gosh, okay, fair enough. We know what that is. Now, in terms of an entry, I'm going to be always looking on the 4-hour time frame. This one here, the pullback into here, that's an entry. So there, after we've pushed through this high, come back down into it and to retest it. Now, the other way I could get involved with this is if this reacts off here, and let's say, what have we got? We've got this low to high. All right, we've already pulled back into it, but 50% of this previous range would get me interested as well. Right, so that would be an entry point. So if we pull back into here, I'm long, and this level up here would be TP1, and then pull your stop loss to break even, something like that. And then second entry point, you know, if we don't pull back, if it trades through, then come back in here, and that's my my entry point there. And targets, well, you've got the Fibonacci. These, I'll just show you this. You can take a snapshot if you like. I've got a -1, I've got a minus 0.5, these things here. And what this is when we look at this from a B, C, D, all right, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D measured move. This is the level here. So I've marked that up, and then I've gone another 50 again, right, for this 100 here, or minus 100 or whatever it is, right. So that's my second target. This 50 is T1. This 100 level is T2, just there. All right, that's T2, and T1 is right here, and then T3. All right, so you might want to take partials off and then trail the rest, something like that. But these would be important levels to consider. Guys, I would really love to hear your thoughts on this. So head below and leave a comment. Share your ideas. What do you think? And yeah, I mean, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.